Space is full of incredible mysteries. Get ready to be amazed by some of the most astonishing facts about our universe. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? That's because it rotates very slowly on its axis. Or that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. And space is completely silent because sound waves need a medium to travel, and there's no air in space. The universe is full of wonders. If these space facts blew your mind, make sure to like and share this video.